So this is a format of MAC address, media access control. These are 6 octets. So 6 sets of 48. So this MAC address consists of 48 bits. This MAC address is already embedded while manufacturing in your network interface card, right? So this is a 6-byte hexadecimal number. It can be separated by a colon, it can be separated by a dot, by a hyphen. Okay, so from first to third, the first 3 octets are used as the OUI. What is this OUI? Organizationally Unique Identifier, OUI. Which company is making it, manufacturing it already? So this MAC prefixes the first 3 octets. These are assigned, or these are given to each organization or the vendor. It can be HP, it can be Cisco, by IEEE. Alright, IEEE. So this first 3, there are certain known vendors. I can just highlight them. Cisco, it can be Google, it can be HP, Hewlett Packard, Huawei Technologies. So first 3, it can be identified by a specific vendor. This is a vendor. The first 3 octets will signify that. So as I already told you, it can be colon, it can be dot, it can be hyphen. The last 3 octets, what they are doing, these are network interface card specific or the vendor specific, and these are employed or used by the manufacturer to each unique NIC card they manufacture. Alright, these are the 2 parts, 2 24-bit part. One is OUI, the other is the NIC vendor specific. So manufacturers can use any sequence of digit to this NIC specific digits, but the prefix should be from IEEE only. So there are 3 types of MAC addresses which I am showing you. These are 3 types of format. It can be, these 6 octets can be separated by hyphen, can be separated by a dot, can be separated by a hyphen, dot, or the colon. Okay. So just for an example, this colon hexadecimal notation is employed by the Linux operating system. Let us take the period example. Period separated hexadecimal notation is used by the Cisco system. So this is how it goes like that. So you will find different MAC addresses in different format which are actually consumed by different operating system and made by different vendors.